Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to be showing you the Artix acrylic marker set. This is the acrylic brush pens, 36 pack, water based with a brush tip. I got these on Amazon, they were $38.99 and I'm really excited to use them because I love acrylic painting but I'm not so keen on the mess, so it'll be interesting to give these a go and see how they work. So this is the box and I'll just show you the inside. So this is the box that it comes in, quite nice packaging, and as you'll see if I take the lid off, it comes in 2 layers. So firstly we've got the thank you card that I've scribbled on because I got excited to try them out and didn't have any paper to hand. So this is the first layer of the pens. It did take me a minute when I first opened them because I thought, oh, where's the rest of them? But you just pull that layer off and the rest are in here. They come with a little swatch sticker set so you can label each pen as you wish to. So I'll just show you here, this is what the brush ends are like, so this is really nice. There's one thing I don't like about a lot of acrylic pens that you get is they've got that sort of round brush and doesn't feel good for proper painting and sketching, very sort of hard. So I'm just giving this a quick go on some plain paper just to see what they come out like. I really like this colour, it's really vibrant, seems to be going down quite well. Just testing it, doing some little dabs here, and yeah, just giving it a quick go to see what they're like. As I've tested on paper, I'm now going to test on a pre-drawn piece of artwork. So I'm using a canvas panel here just to get the proper feel for it, as they're acrylic and I'd often paint acrylic on canvas, so I thought this was the best option to try. They seem to have quite good coverage, they're nice and bright, they seem to go down pretty well, so you just stay tuned for the final result and let me know what you think. So far I'm quite impressed with these pens.